Hello, dear friend. This is Dr. Chengdiao Fan, speaking directly to you and to the entire global Pi Network Pioneer community. Today, I want to speak with clarity, responsibility, and reassurance. This message is meant to guide you, to calm your concerns, and to explain where Pi Network stands today and what each pioneer should do moving forward. Many of you have waited for a long time. Some of you feel uncertain, some of you are tired. These feelings are understandable, and they deserve clear answers. Pi Network was created with a long-term vision. It was never designed to be a short-term experiment or a rushed project. From the beginning, our goal has been to build a secure, inclusive, and sustainable digital ecosystem that gives ordinary people access to real utility. That mission requires patience, discipline, and correct processes. Understanding tentative status has caused confusion and concern for many pioneers. It is important to understand clearly what tentative means and what it does not mean. Tentative does not mean rejection. Tentative does not mean failure. Tentative does not mean loss of your Pi. Tentative simply means that your account requires additional review or verification before it can fully transition to the mainnet stage. This review exists to protect the integrity of the entire Pi Network ecosystem. With millions of users worldwide, accuracy and fairness are essential. Most tentative cases are caused by small and correctable issues, including profile inconsistencies, incomplete mainnet checklist steps, name mismatches during identity verification, or system-wide processing queues. These are technical matters, not personal judgments. How to move out of tentative status. If your account is currently in tentative, there are clear and practical actions you should take. First, carefully review your personal profile information inside the Pi Network application. Your name must match your government-issued identification exactly as it appears. A. Void nicknames, abbreviations, extra spaces, or repeated name changes. Even a minor difference can delay verification. Second, open your mainnet checklist and review it step by step. Every required step must be completed and confirmed. All steps must display a green status. Green means completed, verified, and approved. If even one step remains incomplete, migration cannot proceed. Third, remain active by mining consistently every 20 hours. Mining activity signals that you are an engaged and committed pioneer. Accounts that remain inactive for long periods may experience delays in processing. .C for pioneers who have not received it. Many pioneers are still waiting for KYC approval or invitation. This waiting period has caused frustration, but it is important to understand the process. KYC is rolled out gradually and carefully. It depends on validator availability, regional requirements, and system capacity. This approach ensures accuracy and prevents fraud, which is critical for the long-term success of Pi Network. Creating multiple accounts, following rumors, or attempting shortcuts will not speed up the process. These actions can actually cause further delays. The correct approach is patience, consistency, and trust in the system. Every eligible pioneer will receive their KYC opportunity. Waiting for migration. Migration is the final step that moves Pi balances to the mainnet environment. Migration only happens when all required conditions are met. To be eligible for migration, a pioneer must successfully pass KYC, complete all mainnet checklist steps, verify their wallet, and maintain consistent mining activity. Migration is automated, but only accounts that are fully prepared can be processed. Waiting for migration does not mean rejection. It means your account is in the processing queue, awaiting final confirmation. The importance of the mainnet checklist. The mainnet checklist is the most important tool for every pioneer preparing for migration. It is your personal roadmap to mainnet readiness. You should regularly review your checklist and confirm that all steps are completed. Wallet setup, confirmations, acknowledgements, and agreements must all be finished. There are no shortcuts. The checklist exists to ensure fairness and security for everyone. Why mining every 20 hours matters. Mining every 20 hours is more than a routine action. It represents participation, commitment, and belief in the Pi network ecosystem. Consistent miners demonstrate reliability and long-term engagement. Active participation helps the network grow stronger and ensures smoother progression through verification and migration stages. Timeline and reassurance. I want to address the question of timing clearly. Before March, all major issues related to tentative status, KYC delays, and migration waiting will be resolved. Our systems are being optimized, validator capacity is increasing, and infrastructure improvements are already in place. Pi network is transitioning from a development phase into real infrastructure. This transition requires careful execution, but it is moving forward steadily. A message to tired pioneers. To those who feel tired or discouraged, your feelings are understood. Building something meaningful takes time. Every major technological shift has required patents from its earliest supporters. You are not late, you are early. And being early is never easy. Your contribution matters, your belief matters, your patience matters. Pi network is progressing. The process is working. And the future is being built step by step. Dear friend, stay active, stay patient, and stay united. Together, we are building something that lasts.